Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to eliminating the CapCut watermark on your CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do now is just go open the CapCut application, and here's the look. And now I would like to show you. Let's go open the new project first and just add the random videos on our project. Here I already have the random video. Let's add it. Now let's take a look what is actually the CapCut watermark. Okay, I will make it faster. Okay, and this is the CapCut watermark. So the CapCut watermark is the part of the video that appear in the end of your project. So how to remove this? Actually, this watermark can be eliminated manually by just click the part of the CapCut, and after that you just need to go click delete, and those watermark will be they disappear from your project. But then we can do that automatically. So if you do that manually, so those watermark will be appear again when you start a new project. So how to do eliminating permanently? You just need to go click into the settings button, and after that you just need to turn off this at default ending, and then after that you just need to go discard. And now this when this button is already off, so when you add a new project, in the end of this video will be automatically no CapCut watermark on it. So that's the way how to eliminating a CapCut watermark on a CapCut application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.